So let's talk about what is one-to-one relationship. Let's take one example. Suppose we have one entity channel and another entity or table is category. So for example, we have this table, channel table, where we have PithorAcademy. As you can see, this PithorAcademy is connected with education, and how it is done via the FK and PK field. Here FK in the first table denotes the ID of the PK in the right table. So this is the concept of database, where what we do is we'll take the primary key of the second table and put it in the first table so that we can map one entity with one. So here you can see this PithorAcademy is connected with 201, that is education. Similarly, music channel is connected with 202, that is music. So this example is a unidirectional connection because the category is connected from the channel, but we can do this vice versa. In that case, what we have to do is we have to store the PK of channel in category as well. So that will be a bidirectional connection. So this kind of relationships is called one to one, and it is represented via one to one.